for another Vechain price update, and the current price for Vechain is at the $0.06 mark. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart I'll start by giving you a quick review of what has been happening in the market. And from the all-time high that we made here, the market is down by 76%. And looking on this chart, the market has been on at some time it was in an uptrend in this Elliott wave pattern that we have over here, having my wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and a wave 5, which took us to the all-time high that we made over here. And from that point the market has been then on a downtrend to the current price that we have. And in this move I have my ABC correction that is over here. So whatever you have been seeing on the market is a big ABC correction that we have over here. And right now for quite some times we are in our wave C, and we reached the target levels that I expected us to hit on this chart. So my wave C went to around the $0.05 mark, and from there we found support on the $0.05 mark, and we had a bounce back to the upper side to the current prices that we are having. So for me, some of the key expectations that I want to see on this chart are that, having seen this ABC correction, I think Vechain has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction. So I'm expecting higher prices for Vechain. So I expect us to continue having higher prices, break this resistance that we have on the 0.07, then have a retest of it. And once you have a retest of that zone, I expect us to unlock even higher prices for Vechain. And once that happens, that move will take us to an all-time high. And for that move to happen, I expect Bitcoin to also be on an uptrend, because if it starts selling off once more, Vechain I think will be affected. And that brings me to my second case scenario, where I expect, as if we have a Bitcoin sell-off, I expect us to have lower prices for Vechain and hit the support that we have here. And if that support does not hold, I expect us to unlock even lower prices for Vechain, and maybe we can find support on this lower part of this descending channel that we have over here. So that's another case scenario that is very possible. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out, and make sure that you continue watching these key supports and resistances. I'll keep you updated, so make sure hit the like, subscribe and notification.